everybody, today we are going to be making a 2-ingredient chocolate cake, but instead of chocolate we're going to be using Nutella. Let's start! The ingredients you will need
are 5 eggs
and Nutella. That's it. The first step is to crack the eggs.
Oh no.
Now we're gonna whisk up these eggs. The eggs have to be tripled in size, so. Meantime, we need to put half of this Nutella inside the cake. Now we are folding the egg yolks in. Now it's time to pour in our chocolatey batter. Let's try to pour it in and not spill. Maybe it's too much, but we don't know that. Oh my gosh, there's still so much Nutella at the bottom. There's still so much. Now it's time to bake the cake. Yay. Be careful, be careful, be careful. The cake is done, it's moist, you can see all the chocolatiness. And now it's time to taste test it.